If you love rich red wines with that deep blackcurrant flavor and a hint of cassis, you're in for a treat. Fruity, slightly dry, and smooth. This is like a grown-up version of a classic blackcurrant drink. This recipe actually takes me back to summer days making blackcurrant jam with my family. And the aroma is just amazing. Start by adding your blackcurrants to a clean fermenting bucket. Pour over 4.5 liters of boiling water and give it a good stir so all the fruit is covered. Cover the bucket and leave it in a cool place for a week. You'll notice the color deepening and a lovely scent filling the air. After 7 days, open the bucket. A little surface mold is normal, so don't worry. Strain the liquid into another clean bucket, separating it from the fruit, and discard the blackcurrants. The juice is already looking so rich and inviting. Now stir in the sugar until it fully dissolves, and take a sample with your hydrometer to record the reading. This will help you calculate the alcohol content later. Mix in the pectolase and yeast nutrient, then sprinkle the yeast over the surface. Cover loosely and place the bucket in a warm spot, around 20 degrees Celsius. Stir gently once a day for 3 days. Then leave it for another 4. You'll notice bubbles forming as the yeast gets to work. It's always satisfying to see fermentation in action. Siphon the liquid into a sterilized demijohn and fit an airlock. Leave it in the same warm area and allow it to ferment fully. You'll know it's done when the bubbling stops. Check again with your hydrometer. It should read below 1.000. Rack the wine into a clean demijohn, add 1 crushed Campden tablet, and leave it to clear. The color will become even more beautiful, and the flavors will start to mellow. Once fully clear, bottle it and let it mature for at least 6 months before tasting. The final pour into a glass is always worth the wait. A deep red, glossy, and inviting. Serve chilled, take a moment to breathe in the aroma, and enjoy that first sip. It's fruity, smooth, and just a little bit nostalgic.